In this video, you are going to see how to align multiple text boxes perfectly in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Text Box. Let us choose a text box from here. If you want to change the fill color, you may change it from here. Go to Home and let us make it Justify. Put it over here. Again, go to Insert, go to Text Box, choose another text box, and I can put it anywhere. Go to Shape Fill, let us choose another fill color, go to Home and make it Justify. I can increase its size. Let us press Ctrl D to make another duplicate. Go to Shape Format, Shape Fill and make it another fill color and put it like this. Now if I want to align it perfectly, I can use it manually or I can make it automatically. If I want to do it manually, just put it like this and I can adjust it like this. And select this one, put it over here and decrease the size, put this one over here. But I can do the same task automatically. Suppose let us put it over here and the size, go to Shape Format, here height 1.13 and the width 2.58. Let us click on over here, make it 1.13. Then the size will be like the previous one. Let us select this one, make it also 1.13. Now put it roughly over here. Now hold down the Ctrl key and select these three text boxes. Go to Shape Format, go to Align and click on Distribute horizontally. Then the gap will be same. Then go to Align and click on the option Align Middle. Then it will be perfect. Now I can put it anywhere. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.